Hi guys, my name's Mishkali and welcome to my Bakugou wig tutorial. So here's the wig we'll be using. It's from Epic Cosplay Wigs. The wig I'm using for this tutorial is the Apollo style in natural blonde. If you want to get one for yourself, the link is in the description below. Did somebody say Draco Malfoy? All joking aside, to start styling this wig, I like to cut and style the wig to my face. Everyone's face is different and wants certain areas to hit at certain places. So I've cut and styled this wig to the length that I want it to be around my face. Granted, this length is a length that I don't mind it if it becomes like shorter during styling, but it also does give me a perspective on how I think it'll look on my face when I'm working with it on the wig head. Now this is where I will introduce you guys to Jonathan, our wig head. He's beautiful, he's the model you wish you were, and here I am cutting the wig to Bakugou's hair shape. Bakugou is a very angry dandelion and his hair is just one big poof. It's also very choppy with a lot of spiky K-pop layers, so I'm using those kinds of hairstyles as a base. I'm keeping the back pretty short and layered, but leaving the front, top, and sides a little bit longer to get the general shape that Bakugou has. Also, for a side note, the scissors I'm using are standard sewing scissors, which I found work better on synthetic fibers since they technically are plastic, as well as thinning scissors to get a more natural look at the end of the fibers. If you guys want any thinning scissors, I highly recommend going to your local beauty store. They really do help make the wig fibers and the wigs look very natural. Now here I am brushing out the wig to be sure that it's the length that I like. I also use this as a time to be sure that I don't have any random long strands of hair. Now we hairspray the fuck out of this wig. Tease the shit out of this wig and hold nothing back. Assert 1000% power, making this the fluffiest, spikiest little gumdrop you have ever created. Even hold it upside down. Just do whatever you want to make sure it gets that volume and tease that you want. I found that this wig works really well for this, and it also takes to the teasing really well and the styling very well. When I restyle this wig, when I wear my Bakugou cosplay, it fluffs up super easily with some hairspray, so don't be afraid to store this wig. Then I'm going back with the thinning scissors just to be sure all of the layers are evened out and has the overall shape that I'm wanting. Then put the wig back on to be sure the length is appropriate to your face. And then you're done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this is helpful for anyone who's looking to style a wig for Bakugou. A huge shout out to Epic Cosplay Wigs for sponsoring this video and providing this wig. I highly recommend you guys check them out in the description below. They have a ton of styles and colors for you guys to choose from, and so far I am absolutely loving using their products to style wigs for my cosplays. Thank you guys so much, because without your support I wouldn't be able to have these kinds of collaborations and ambassadorships. And let me know in the description below what wig tutorials you would like to see. And keep an eye out for the makeup tutorial that will be paired with this wig tutorial. Thank you guys so much, and bye!